Have you ever had a feeling about something even though you couldn't explain why, and then later realize that feeling was right? That may be your intuition trying to get your attention. But the problem is we often ignore it. We question ourselves, overthink it, or convince ourselves that we are imagining it. So today I'm sharing 7 signs that your intuition may be speaking to you. And do stay until the end, because number 7 completely takes people by surprise. Spirit Connectors, it's your girl Tracy, your spiritual bestie. If you are new here, welcome to Spirit Connection with Tracy, a space for spiritual guidance, intuition, mediumship, and helping you feel more aligned with your purpose. So let's get into it. Sign number 1, you get a feeling in your body. Intuition doesn't always arrive as a clear voice saying, Trace, don't do that. Wouldn't life be easier if it did? Sometimes it comes through your body. You may suddenly feel butterflies in your stomach, tightness in your chest, or even goosebumps. You might walk into a room and immediately feel uncomfortable, even though nobody has said anything or done anything wrong. On the other hand, something may give you a warm, calm, expansive feeling. Your body can pick up energy before your logical mind understands what is happening. The important thing is to notice the feeling without immediately talking yourself out of it. Sign number 2, the same thought keeps coming back. I'm not talking about worrying about something repeatedly. That normally feels anxious, noisy, and exhausting. Intuition is usually quieter. You may be getting on with your day when the same person, idea, or message gently pops into your mind again. Maybe you suddenly think of someone you haven't spoken to in years, and then they contact you. Or perhaps you keep feeling that you should apply for something, phone somebody, or take a different direction. When the same calm message keeps returning, it may be worth paying attention to. Sign number 3, your experience meaningful coincidences. You've been thinking about making a change, and suddenly you hear 3 different people talking about exactly the same subject. You ask for guidance, and then you notice the same word, song, or even a number appearing everywhere. Now, I'm not saying that every number plate or song on the radio contains a major message from spirit, but sometimes a coincidence feels so perfectly timed that it makes you stop and think, okay, what are the chances of that? When something keeps repeating, ask yourself, what was I thinking about when I noticed this? That is often where the meaning lies. Sign number 4, you know something without knowing how you know it. This is one of the clearest intuitive experiences. You don't have evidence. Nobody has told you anything. You simply just know. Perhaps you know that somebody is going to call, you know that a certain opportunity isn't right for you, or you know that someone is struggling even though they keep saying they're fine. And then your mind jumps in and says, don't be ridiculous, you have no proof. Intuition doesn't always come with proof. Sometimes the confirmation arrives later. That doesn't mean we should make every major decision based on one passing feeling, but it does mean we shouldn't automatically dismiss what we sense. Sign number 5. You feel drawn towards or away from something. Have you ever felt strangely drawn to a place, person, book, or opportunity? Sometimes some things inside you keeps saying, go and look at that or speak to that person. You may not understand the reason at the time, but following that gentle pull can sometimes lead you exactly where you need to be. The same applies when you feel strongly pulled away from something. Perhaps everyone thinks an opportunity looks wonderful, but something inside you feels unsettled. Your intuition may notice what your eyes haven't seen yet. Sign number 6. Your dreams become usually vivid or repetitive. Dreams are one way our subconscious and sometimes our spiritual awareness can communicate with us. You may keep dreaming about the same person, place, animal, or even a situation. Or you may wake up with one particular part of a dream feeling incredibly clear. Not every dream is a prediction. Some dreams help us process emotions, fear, and experiences. But when a dream repeats or stays with you long afterwards, write it. Write it down. Look at the feelings, the symbols, rather than taking everything literally. Ask yourself, what is happening in my life right now that connects with this dream? And sign number 7, you feel unsettled when you ignore something. This is one many people dismiss. Your intuition gives you a little nudge, but you ignore it. Then the nudge nudges you again. You continue with the choice because it looks sensible on paper. Everyone else agrees with it, or you don't want to disappoint somebody. But inside, you don't feel peaceful. When you keep ignoring your intuition, that feeling may become stronger. You might feel irritated, restless, or disconnected from yourself. Not necessarily because something terrible is going to happen, but because the choice you may be aligned with who you are or where you are meant to go. So how do you know whether it's intuition or anxiety? Intuition is normally calm, clear, and simple. It might say, don't go. Call that person. Oh, wait, this feels right. Anxiety tends to be louder. It creates multiple frightening scenarios and makes you question everything. Intuition guides you. Anxiety overwhelms you. Of course, they can sometimes feel similar. So give yourself time, become quiet, take a few slow breaths, and notice whether the message remains when the panic settles. The more you listen to your intuition, the easier it becomes to recognize how it speaks to you. Start with small things. Write down your feelings and see what happens. Over time, you'll begin recognizing the difference between intuition, fear, and overthinking. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 7 signs have you experienced? And if you enjoy honest, down-to-earth spiritual guidance, subscribe to Spirit Connection with Tracy and join our beautiful community. Remember, you are allowed to trust yourself, follow the signs, and choose what brings you back into alignment. Stay aligned with your purpose, open to abundance, and guided by spirit. It's your girl, Tracy, your spiritual bestie.